Today is June the 15th, 2021. Hello, I'm Jonathan John Fun Miller. Welcome back to John Fun TV. And I am on the banks of the muddy Kanawha River. But my point for today's video is the sun is still shining. The water may be dirty from all the rain, but that's the cycle of life. We need the rain. We need the sun. We need positive energy and good, clean fun. It rhymes a little bit, doesn't it? Maybe I should put that in a song sometime. Don't know. But what I do know is that if you're consistent in life, it will pay off. If you work hard, eventually it will pay off. Once upon a time, there was a person that said, I cannot do this. Eventually, you get fed up with saying I cannot. It doesn't matter who is in your life, you have the power yourself as an individual to change the situation, the dynamic. Shift it. Simply put, one way or another, you can and do it. You are enough. Don't believe me? Try it. Try it yourself. Find something you enjoy. Go do it. Go do it and do it. Not until you like it, until you love it. I love what I do. I fell in love with print media back in 2000. But guess what? Print media was never my passion. When the internet popped up, I found out that was my passion. Am I good at the internet? Sometimes. Am I expert? Not really, but I show up. And that's the point. Show up. If you don't show up, you're just beating yourself. Defeating yourself. Putting yourself down in the dumps. Don't do it. And that does it for today. Hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. Take care and stay blessed out there.